So today we have Lenovo ThinkPad X270 and we need to remove the screen from this. So let me show you how. What you're going to do is you can open the laptop, search for the corner, start slowly removing the plastic. Make sure don't put pressure on the screen because you can damage the screen. Okay, so the plastic is out. Screens or these Lenovo laptops are not held by anything, so what you can do is simply pop it out. There is the connector, so you can just use okay. It does have a hinge, so what you're going to do is just disconnect it. That is your Lenovo screen.